Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Andrea, and this week I am doing a whole cleaning series on how we keep our house clean. So today is Thursday. On Thursdays I do our daily cleaning, which includes making the beds, picking up any clutter, wiping down the bathroom, and then as always cleaning up the kitchen and then folding any laundry that needs to be put away. As I'm going into the bathroom, I just turned on all the lights and I turned on the exhaust fan and opened up the window. It was really nice out and I wanted to get some fresh air in the house because everybody has all the colds and we've had bronchitis and all of the wintertime illnesses. So we're just trying to get some fresh air going through the house since it's nice out, at least for a little bit. And like every other day, I'm just using my Members Mark Sam's Club generic Lysol wipes to wipe down the counter, and then I just use them to go over the toilet, wipe off the handle, and then clean the seat and the base of the toilet. And then I get clean wipes and I wipe down the whole floor, picking up any hair or anything like that that's been left behind from getting ready in the morning. Now I'm going in with my favorite counter spray, the Method Granite Cleaner. to just wipe down all the counters and leave them nice and clean and shiny. Amelia actually did a lot of playing this morning, so the living room is pretty messy, which this is more realistic of how the living room usually is every day. There's usually books everywhere, blankets, her toys are out, there's going to be some bottles and sippy cups somewhere, and it's just how it is sometimes. So she was napping, so this was the time to clean it up because she'll probably drag it all out again once she wakes up. But if I can get it clean at least a couple times, it won't be that bad to clean it up before bedtime. I was just going down to the laundry room to get the clothes out of the dryer, and then I took them into the bedroom and folded them in there after I got the floor washed. So now I'm just moving all the chairs onto the carpet. You see I moved the cat with that one chair. She didn't even move while I was doing all this cleaning. But I just moved all the chairs and the stools onto the carpet, and then I got out the vacuum and vacuumed the floor really good and then washed everything. I used my O-Cedar mop and then just a capful of Murphy's Oil soap. So this is the laundry room. It's where all the laundry happens. But yeah, I'm just doing the same thing, going in with a vacuum, trying to get all the corners and the cracks and everything really good. And then I got fresh water in the mop bucket and mopped the floor in there too. Um, the the laundry room does get pretty, the floor gets pretty dirty because all the, the snow and stuff gets tracked in there. All the shoes are in there, and the snow boots, and the jackets, and everything, and the cat's litter box. So I do have to vacuum down here more than once a week, but it's not that big of a deal. It's not that big of a space. Also, I have the basket down there in the bottom of the closet that has all of the dirty kitchen towels in it. And I just threw those in the washing machine and got them going, so then by the time I was done with my cleaning, I could put them in the dryer and they would be ready to be folded. That's our Thursday cleaning. We got the floors washed, we got the beds made, the bathroom wiped down, and the kitchen all cleaned up. So I just think this is such a pretty shot of the living room and the dining room with the sun shining in and the snow outside. It looks really pretty. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, I hope you subscribe. Please give it a like. Please comment. I would really like to have a conversation down in the comments. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.